Hello to all. Today we will see the video lecture on the topic of GSM architecture. The contents in GSM architecture are introduction, GSM services, architecture, security in GSM, characteristics of GSM standard, advantages of GSM, future of GSM. What is GSM? The Global System for Mobile is a second generation cellular standard developed to cater voice services and data delivery using digital modulation. GSM history developed by Group Special Mobile founded in 1982, which was an initiative of CEPT Conference of European Post and Telecommunication. Under ETSI, GSM is named as Global System for Mobile Communication in 1989. Full set of specifications phase 1 became available in 1990. Phase 2 of the GSM specifications occurs in 1995. Coverage is extended to rural areas. GSM in world figure March 2005 as shown in figure. The GSM in world in 2005. GSM in India in March 2005. The different companies are denoted by different colors and the percentage is given here. For Bharti 27%, BSNL 22%, Hutch 19%, Idea 13%, BPL 6%, Aircel 4%, Spice 4%, Reliance 3%. The GSM services are teleservices, bearer or data services, supplementary services. Teleservices are telecommunication services that enable voice communication via mobile phones. Offer services, mobile telephony, emergency calling. Bearer services include various data services for information transfer between GSM and other networks like PSTN, ISDN, etc. at the rates from 300 to 9600 bps. Short message service up to 160 character alphanumeric data transmission to from the mobile terminal voicemail box. Supplementary services, call related service, call waiting, notification of an incoming call while on the handset, call hold, put a caller on hold to take another call, call bearing all calls, outgoing calls or incoming calls, call forwarding, calls can be set to various numbers defined by the user, multi-party call conferencing, link multiple calls together. The GSM system architecture is as shown in figure. In GSM architecture, it consists of a base station system BSS, then network subsystem NSS. In base station subsystem BSS, the BTS is used. SIM subscriber identity module, ME mobile equipment BTS, base transceiver station BSC, base station controller, HLR home location register, VLR visitor location register, MSC mobile services switching center, EIR equipment identity register, AUC authentication center. As shown in figure, the mobile station consists of ME. SIM is connected to the base station subsystem. The base station subsystem consists of BTS and all BTS are handled over BSC. Different BSC are handled over MSC. MSC is in network subsystem. The different HIR, VLR, EIR, AUC are authentication center. MSC is given to the PSTN, ISDN, PSPDN, CSDN. GSM system architecture, mobile station MS having mobile equipment ME subscriber identity module, SIM, Base station subsystem consists of base transceiver station BTS, base station controller BSC. Network switching subsystem consists of mobile switching center MSC, home location register HLR, visitor location register VLR, authentication center AUC, equipment identity register EIR. The system architecture mobile station MS having two entities, mobile equipment ME and subscriber identity module SIM. The mobile equipment have a portable vehicle mounted handheld device uniquely identified by an IMEI International Mobile Equipment Identity, voice and data transmission, monitoring power and signal quality of surrounding cells for optimum handover, power level 0.8 watt to 20 watt, 160 character long SMS. In subscriber identity module, smart card contains the international mobile subscriber identity IMSI, allows user to send and receive calls and receive other subscribed services protected by a password or PIN, can be removed from phone to phone, contains key information to activate the phone. The system architecture base station subsystem consists of the base station subsystem is composed of two parts that communicate across the standardized ABIS interface, allowing operation between the components made by different supplies. The base transceiver station BTS and the base station controller BSC. Receiver station handle a different the base transceiver station BTS handle a different BTS small base transceiver station are controlled over a BSC. BSC is a base station controller in base station subsystem. The in base station subsystem, the small BTS station are controlled by using a different BSCs and different BSCs are controlled by using a MSC. The next network substation subsystem is architecture. Next point is we see in next video lecture. Now we see the mobile station and base station subsystem BSS. Thank you.